guys, I'm back with another video. I got this new beauty in the mail the other day. I think she's phenomenal. She came with like a outfit. It was like a more of a sporty outfit, so I'm gonna give her a makeover. Her hair is European type of hair, and I want to give her more Afrocentric look, so I want to put braids in her hair. And I'm gonna her complexion is so beautiful, so I want to give her a more of a light color. I don't want white, so I'm thinking about baby blue will really, you know, set her complexion off. And I'm going to have to make her some shoes because she has flat feet. So I'm going to have to make her some shoes. I got to do her hair, make her outfit, and make her some shoes. So I'm going to be step by step with everything. I'm going to try to be a little more detailed in this video. Okay, be back with the next step. Okay, with this step, I will be sectioning her hair, and I'll be braiding it down, and I'll be using black rubber bands on the ends to keep the braid together. And that's it. That's all I'm going to do for her entire head. For the shoes, y'all, I used a piece of cardboard that came into an old glove I saved, and I traced the feet, and I'm going to make it kind of like a square shoe. So I traced her feet, and I'm going to cut it out, and I'm going to glue some diamonds on the top of it, and we're going to have some like slides for her. Be back with the next step. The dress, I'm going to use this old dollar store dress, but I'm going to scrunch it all the way up that the bottom of the dress is going to look like a belt accessory, and I'm going to use this old headband like for the skirt for the bottom of the dress. So y'all see when the finishing results come out what I'm talking about. All done now. Okay, let me tell you, I did have some braids. I put a diamond, like a gem, on her ear for the earrings. For the necklace, it was an old Barbie necklace. I just polished it with some glitter polish, and I put some stones on, you know, hot glue stones on it. For the dress, I told you I just lift the dress up a little bit, like for the belt, and then I made the bottom from a headband. Then from her bracelet was a Barbie watch, and then I just put some stones on top of it. For the shoes came out so cute. Look, y'all, the shoes came out really cute. They I just made the shoes, cut it out of the you know, the cardboard material, and then I hot glued the stones on top of it. So she has some little flats. Ain't they cute? Look at the little flats. They are so cute. And I square toed them, like, you know how a lot of the girls wearing the square toe shoes. So I square toed them. So I told you the baby blue really gave her a nice, it bring out her complexion so well. I think she looks wonderful. Don't you think she looks wonderful? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be back with another video. Bye!